Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Engineering Yatra Nepal. Today I am gonna teaching you how to download SketchUp. So to download SketchUp, follow this step. Go to your Chrome browser, then search here SketchUp, SketchUp or SketchUp.com. Anything at the top, the SketchUp.com. Okay, click here. Okay, when you click that SketchUp, this type of interface you will see here. So build your anything, turn your ideas into reality with SketchUps. There is more option available here. I'll show you one by one. Okay, so 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 today I'm gonna download free trial SketchUp because other SketchUp is freemium. So free trial is for 7 days. And okay, let's start your free trial. Okay, I'm going to click it here. Okay, free for personal project, start modeling. For higher education, no credit card required. Primary, secondary. Okay, for professional project, free 7-day trial, no credit card required. Create professional work with our much robust design tools. Okay, 3D modelers for desktop, web, and iPad to the documentation, quick insight for design research, real-time and for visualization, access to extensions for added functionality, ready to sketch of computer. Okay, and for personal project. Okay, I'm going uh, to download for personal project. So I'm going to start free trial, and here, wait, it is loading. Okay, after they ask you to create a Trimble ID, or if you already create your ID, just log in with. Okay, I'm going to create because I don't have a Trimble ID, so I'm going to create it. uh Wait. Okay, so next, user does not exit, check your mail or username and try again. Okay, fine, I'm going to continue with Google. Continue. I agree and continue. Welcome. Before you try SketchUp for free for 7 days, let's get to know each other a little better. Okay, that's fine. uh okay, there is lots of field option available here. You have to choose one of it. So there is a architecture, building construction, building finishing, civil construction, education, engineering, entertainment, fabrication, healthcare, logistics service providers, manufacturing, MFA. Okay, now which field from you are? So select your field option. So I'm an engineer, so I select engineering. Okay, now they ask specialization. So here as uh civil engineer. Okay, so I continue it. Okay, pick at least one. Customize your trial experience. Tell us how you plan to use SketchUp. So we have to pick at least one of these. Okay, so conceptual design, creating 2D documents, creating 2D 4D visualization, drawing perspectives and animations, augment or virtual reality, viewing, importing. Okay, 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 I'll select all. I'm going to select all. Okay, continue. Country, region. Okay, which country are you from? So select your country. I'm from Nepal, so I'm gonna select Nepal, and it asks phone number. So I'm going to drop my number here. Okay, so I agree. Sign me up. Start my trials. They are working it. Okay, you have made it. We are happy to have you in SketchUp. Now that your trial of SketchUp has started, we can explore anything it has to offer. Download SketchUp for Windows or download SketchUp for Mac. Once you have selected the version, the download should start automatically. If not, click on the download link provided. Okay, then I'm going to download my SketchUp trial here. Okay, and the download is here. Okay, it's a 405 MB longer. Okay, my video is downloaded, and after few minutes or few seconds I will show you how to install it. Locate the download file, usually in your download folder. Here, download folder, and double click it to start the installation process. Okay, I'm going to run as administrator. Okay, yes. Okay, now here uh, install option. uh, Here SketchUp Pro. Scan essence for SketchUp and layout, Revit importer. This is the download. Okay, we don't do anything here. Just install. Install. Okay. Okay. The SketchUp 2024 is ready to go. Okay, let's finish it. Double click it. Okay. Now it's time to sign in. Okay, sign in to access your subscription or trial. Means that the ID which you used for your trial subscription. So same ID, launch browser again. Okay, so here Trimble identity, they asked you to sign here. Okay, I'm going just continue with okay, email or username. Okay, you are signed into all things SketchUp. So let's close it and come here. Okay, so this is the process for download and install. So this is all for today. Next video we will see how to know tools for creating a models in SketchUp. Thank you. Keep supporting. Love you. Bye.